Hey everyone, welcome back to Ride and Thrill. Today, we're diving into the Toyota Innova Hycross, a versatile and tech-savvy multi-purpose vehicle that blends comfort, efficiency, and advanced technology. Whether you're looking for a family car or a spacious, fuel-efficient ride for long drives, the Hycross has it all. So, let's get started. Right off the bat, the Innova Hycross stands out with its modern and bold design. From the large grille to the sleek LED headlights, Toyota has made sure it has an imposing presence on the road. Moving inside, you're immediately welcomed by a premium feel. Toyota has equipped this car with high-quality materials and an ergonomic design that puts everything at your fingertips. One of the main highlights is the panoramic sunroof that gives the cabin an airy, open feel, perfect for those long journeys. The interior has plenty of room for everyone, and Toyota has gone all out with comfort. The second row seats slide to create a wide space, making it super easy to access the third row, which, unlike many seven-seaters, is actually comfortable for adults on longer trips. The Hycross also features multi-zone climate control, so every passenger can set their preferred temperature, and it has window shades for added comfort. Plus, there are thoughtful touches like foldable tray tables and cup holders, making it feel like a premium lounge on wheels. Now let's talk tech. The Hycross features a large 10.1-inch touchscreen that's compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you seamless connectivity on the go. Toyota has also added a premium JBL audio system that delivers excellent sound quality for a truly immersive experience. There's also a digital instrument cluster that provides real-time information about power flow, which is especially interesting in the hybrid version. The Innova Hycross's hybrid powertrain is designed to be both efficient and powerful. Under the hood, it has a 2.0-liter petrol engine paired with an electric motor. Toyota claims this hybrid setup can handle up to 60% of urban driving in electric-only mode, which means you'll save on fuel costs without compromising on performance. The transition between electric and petrol power is so smooth you barely notice it, which makes driving this car even more enjoyable. With a combined output of 184 horsepower, the Hycross can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in just around 9.5 seconds, impressive for a vehicle of this size. Safety is also a top priority with the Hycross. Toyota has packed in some advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera, making city driving and highway cruising much safer and more convenient. There's also blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, features that help take the stress out of navigating busy roads. Overall, the Innova Hycross is an impressive package. It's spacious, tech-laden, and highly efficient, making it ideal for families, road trips, and anyone who wants a refined, comfortable, and reliable vehicle. So, if you're looking for a versatile MPV that doesn't compromise on luxury or performance, the Innova Hycross should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Ride and Thrill. See you next time.